Once upon a time, there was a great big beautiful farm. There was a cow.
Hi, everyone.
A pig.
Oink, oink. How you doing?
A couple of ducks.
Hiya.
No, not hiya. Just say hello politely.
A chicken.
Hello, everyone. I am the true star of this story.
No, you're not. To continue, there was a rooster.
Hey, who's got your back, baby?
A goat.
Bleh. So, what's up? Hey, look at me, over here. Hello again.
Chicken. Stop that. Now where was I? Oh yeah, there was also a turkey.
Why is everyone looking at me?
Because I am telling a story about all of you.
Okay, but I'm keeping my eye on all of you.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Now this story begins with Rooster not wanting to wake up and crow.
I was told there would be some pudding.
What? No. Cow, please wait your turn. And Rooster, it's your turn.
Oh, yeah. I am Rooster, and I do not want to crow in the morning.
Oink, oink. Cow said there was some pudding. Oink, oink.
No, pig, please. Rooster, continue.
Rooster is taking a nap. I was the bed for him.
A nap? He was just... chicken? No. Where's Rooster?
He's not napping. Kyle told him about some pudding. We don't like pudding. I want some jelly donuts.
There is no jelly donuts or pudding. I'm going to continue on with the story. The cow did not give the milk in the morning because he slept in. Cow, it's your turn.
I forgot my lines. I'm so hungry, I can't concentrate. Oh, I know her lines. I can step in.
You can't pretend you're a cow. Cow, just stay there and I will read your lines.
I think this is a conspiracy, and they're all in on it. Who is she talking about?
I don't know. Someday she talks to the windmill. She's nuts.
Nuts? I want some nuts. Where are they?
Turkey, please. Let me just tell the story.
I thought you already did tell the story.
Yeah, what a long story.
It's long because I keep getting interrupted. Now after Rooster slept in, Cow also slept in and gave no milk. The chicken...
Yippee! Hi there.
The chicken slept in and gave no eggs. The goat slept in and also gave no milk.
Yuck. I don't like goat milk.
Well, a lot of people do.
The duck slept in, the pig slept in, the turkey slept in.
Turkeys do not sleep. We fight. Put up your dukes. Come on.
I give up. All the animals finally woke up and told Rooster to never sleep in again because they relied on him.
What? That's it? That doesn't sound like a very good story.
A lot of people drink goat milk,
Well, I wanted to listen to the story. The ducks are aliens from outer space.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Good day, folks. That's it for now.
Did anyone find the pudding?
Oink, oink. What about the nuts I heard about?
The end.